What's going on, good people? Welcome back to First or Last Garage. Today, I will be installing my nice new bolt-together, Hughes bolt-together converter for my Turbo 400 right here. I got an FTI. It's a, I want to say stage 4 with a reverse manual valve body and trans brake. I got the engine up over here ready to go. We're gonna mate it to it as well. I already put the flywheel, actually the flex plate on here, and here goes the little hub adapter that comes with it. Put that on as well, because you got to use that when you're going from a LS to a older style GM transmission. Got the truck over here on the lift, ready to go. I think I'm gonna actually try to put the engine in while the truck is still on the lift. I don't know if you can do that. I'm gonna try to slide the legs up underneath here and just guide it everything on in. If not, I have to take it up off the lift and put it on jack stands, but we'll see. So yeah, that's what I got going today. Get this engine together so we finally start making a little bit more progress on everything else. I've already put what I put up, about a quart in the converter already, so that's good to go. So we just gotta get that converter in and then made it to the engine over there. Stay tuned, let's get it. All right, so let's get this good old converter in. Oh, everyone, that's fluid. All right, so yeah, this is the converter. Like I said, Hughes bolt-together converter. I went a little fancy on this. Some people say you're supposed to get 3 clicks. Other people say 2 clicks when you're putting the converter in, but we'll see. All right, there goes 1. All right, that was 2. Secure it. Pain. Nothing yet. Wait, let me secure this table. Got casters on it and you got locks. Let me lock this thing up. You stay there, don't go nowhere. Woo! All right, I got the table locked in, so this thing quit trying to move on me. Was that it? Where are we at? No, we're still about even. We got one more. Come on, thing. Y'all see the sweat? And I got AC in here. Come on. Yeah, this thing's kicking my ass right now. But let me just show y'all what I'm talking about. So as you can see right now, it's kind of flush. The pads of the converter kind of flush with the edge of the bell housing, and it's supposed to go in further. Like you should barely be able to get your hand back there. So I got a little bit more to go. I got one more click, as they call it, on this thing. So let me get back to it. There we go. Now you want to go in there all easy. All right, so got the converter all the way in there, and let me show you the difference. Like before, how the mounting pads were kind of flush with the edge of the bell housing. Now, if you can see, let's see if I can get a better angle. It's sitting in there a good, I call it an inch and a half from the face of the bell housing. So that is good to go. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm full of transmission fluid on here, lube it up. But then we gotta mate this. Oh, I gotta unlock this damn table. But I gotta mate the transmission, like I said, to the back of the flex plate over here. So let's get to it. But I got everything together. I had to use these to kind of level everything out so the pilot and the hub will line up right. But let me get some light on there. Let's see here. Yep, got everything together. The flex plate on the right way, and you should be able to turn the converter, which I can, so that's a good thing. Now we just gotta put the bolts, bell housing bolts in, and should be done with that. All right, it is the next day. I'm about to try and put this engine and tranny in while the car's on the lift. I plan on lifting it up and trying to slide the legs up underneath it, but we'll see how that goes. A problem already. Shouldn't be a big problem. I had it almost in there and I'm hitting right there on the frame of the lift, so I'm just gonna take these chocks out and try to roll the truck forward some more, and that should fix all that. So let's do it. so far so good. It's actually going a lot smoother than I thought it was. Famous last words. I have to just drop the motor down onto the mounts now. I think it's far enough back on both sides. Yeah, it should be good now. Actually, this side a little bit further up. And underneath, I thought I was gonna have to use because I didn't take out the cross member when I took the engine out. I thought I was gonna have to use the floor jack to kind of guide it up, but we wanted enough space. Everything lined up pretty good. So now I just gotta drop it down. Almost there, almost there. Let's get to it. Alright, I kept these motor mounts loose on purpose, so I have a little bit of wiggle room that side. The engine's laying on it, but kept them. You want to keep them loose until you actually get everything lined up. I'm gonna try to put a bolt through this one, and then get this mount right here lined up, and do the same for it. So almost there. All right, we got success. Both mounts in. I gotta tighten the mounts up. Got the bolts all the way through on both sides. There we go. If anybody, if you ever wondered if you could put a engine transmission in on a 4-post lift, and here you go. I still gotta get up underneath here and do the transmission. Ooh. There we go. Still gotta bolt that in, but yeah, good to go. Let's see here. Yeah, that works. And then to relieve the tension, I don't even gotta crank on the cherry picker. Just raise it up here. Boom. Piece of cake. That actually was way easier than me doing it before on jack stand, obviously. But 4-post lift, engine and transmission install complete. Now I can get to work doing all this other stuff. I got my up and forward turbo headers. Let me grab them real quick. Give y'all a little visualization. Got my up and forward turbo headers that will be going on here. Oh yeah, that's gonna look nice. And also, in order to get the other side to fit, I gotta mess with. I got this steering shaft. It's a chromoly steering shaft from Motion Raceworks, and I just got it in there. I don't have it really bolted in or anything like that, so I can play with it. Interior gutted. Still got a lot more to go. Gotta rip out all these seats, but almost ready. Making good progress over here. I'm excited about this. This thing's gonna be dope. First to last garage is how we do it. I think that's gonna wrap it up for this episode of First to Last Garage. Like I said, if you like what you're seeing, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Remember, if you ain't first, you're last. Peace.